Hey, how's it going? I know it's been a very long time since I've made a video, and today I'm working on episode 2 of Apart But United Season 2. And I'm making this video not only to help you guys with your future edits, but also to kind of help the other members of this docuseries, which you should definitely check out in the link below. This video will come out probably by the time the 3rd or 4th, maybe 5th episode is out. Oops! So first things first, you're going to want to get your folder structures in order. So this is basically my setup. I'll make a folder, then I will have the edit files, a proxies folder, and the main video files. I also have assets because those are the extra things that are going to be like overlaid into the episode, and those are where I can store extra things. I don't always do that. I thought I'd do it this time. Just create an assets folder. Otherwise, I'd probably just put everything else within this folder. Anyway, I'm trying to be organized. Once we have that started, we can then open up Premiere. So I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to first browse to that folder that I made. I'm going to go into my edit files and select choose. Alright, give my file a title. I'm unoriginal and I tend to give my sequence the same name as the project, or the project same name as the sequence. I'm struggling to talk today, I'm very sorry. So I'm just call it ABU episode 2. That's what it is. Doink. Next, we're going to import our video files into the project, which we can simply do by selecting this folder and clicking and dragging right into Premiere. Premiere will then import all your video files. Next, go into your video file folder, select your first one, hit Shift, select your last video. There will be more video clips from other people. They just haven't uploaded them yet, or they got lost somewhere. I don't know. You're gonna then right click, go to Proxy, and create proxies. You'll then choose H.264 and H.264 low resolution proxy. It should do that by default. You want an H.264 file type because that's just the file type format that is easiest to use in video editing. It's standard. It's probably not even a good enough reason. It's probably just there when you do this. You can also choose where those proxies are going to go, and I highly suggest you do that. So select browse, and this is where we're going to select our proxies folder. So in that folder, the episode, proxies, select folder, now hit OK. What this should do, hopefully soon, that will launch the Adobe media encoder, and that will then load in all your video clips, and it will create a low resolution format of that video clip. So if you have really large video files, like from a Canon R5, which is what I'm filming this on right now. Hold on, if you don't believe me, just watch. That's you and me and both of us together. I can sing, I swear. Anyway, so that's going to create low resolution versions of your video clips, and this will ultimately make your editing life easier and faster and save yourself a tiny bit of space in the long run. But mostly it'll just make your editing faster. The downside of this is that it does take some time, so while you're waiting for that, you can go make some coffee, go make some popcorn, go do something with your life. I don't know. And what you do with it is entirely up to you. You can open up a can of snap chilled coffee. Yeah. You could flip some coins. Did you call heads? Because it was heads. Or you can wallow in self-pity that you feel like you're wasting time, even though you're not, because you're going to be saving yourself time in the long run. This hurts. Once that is done, we can close this out. Then I'm going to come over to my main project. Then I can do File, New Sequence. I don't have to do this quite yet, but then I think I'm going to be editing this at 1080 and possibly exporting at 4K. So I need digital SLR, 1080, 1080-24 settings, 1920 by 1080, 16 by 9, and then give my sequence a title. Hit OK. Then right along here, you're going to want to make sure you have this option, toggle proxies, because this will tell your editor that, hey, I want to be editing using the proxies instead of the full resolution video file. And this, again, will make your editing life a lot easier. Not only that, but you can stack your easiness of editing, because I think that's how words work, by setting the playback resolution. You don't want it at full, because then your computer is going to be spinning forever and ever and ever. Set it to as low as you can do it for. So in my case, I can only set it down to 1/4. So then when you're editing your video, you're going to be working with the lowest resolution possible, and your editor isn't going to be trying to use the full resolution of your video. And then when you export it, Adobe will then relink that full-fledged video file to give you the nicest looking final product that you can. So if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, and if there's anything you'd like to see in this new season of Apart But United, let me know in the comments below. Would love to hear your ideas. And now, if you'll excuse me, I have a video to edit. All right, bye.